Hi friends, today we're going to show you a nice beautiful recipe which is called as paneer gravy. And to start off with, I'm using 200 grams of paneer. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's mix all this very well and we'll leave this aside for 30 minutes to well marinate. After the paneer has been marinated for 30 minutes, now let's take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now on a medium flame, let's fry the paneer until the paneer is well done. So the paneer is fried now, it's very well done. Make sure you're frying it on a very low flame and you don't burn the paneer. It takes only like 4 to 5 minutes to cook this paneer. Now in a separate pan, take 1 tablespoon of dalda or clarified butter and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Half teaspoon of cumin seed. Add 1 small bay leaf and 5 cloves. Now let's roast this for 2 minutes. Add 1 large finely chopped onion or 2 medium onions. Now add a small piece of cinnamon stick which is like ½ inch and 2 cardamom. Now to this we'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once you see the onion is golden brown, now we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed powder and ½ tablespoon of garam masala powder. Now let's saute this on a very low flame for 2 to 3 minutes until the masala are very well cooked. So this is a tomato paste. I've used 2 tomatoes to make a paste of this. Now blend it and I'm now going to add it into it. Now let's cover this. The tomatoes itself will release some little bit water and let it get cooked for the next 7 to 8 minutes. So for cooking for 6 minutes now on a very low flame, let's check how it is. So I don't need to cook any more longer. As I had said before, 7 to 8 minutes. It happened to me in 6 minutes time. It depends on different flames how you cook it. But yes, on a very low flame, this is how it's going to be. Now to this, I'm going to add ½ cup of yogurt. Now let's add ½ cup of water. Now let's cover this and cook this for 2 minutes on a very low flame. Now let's take this off and add ½ teaspoon of salt. Now let's add the paneer that we fried. Let's mix this. Now let's take 1 teaspoon of kasturi methi, crush it and just put it all around. So looks like our paneer gravy is ready now. Now let's give a taste and let me tell you how it tastes because this is first time I've made this recipe. And I must say it's really fantastic. It's really nice guys. You would definitely love it when you prepare it. If you liked our recipe friends, please do show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.